Hey everyone, my name is DigitalGrl, and in this really quick OpenSea tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable the dark mode feature. Enabling dark mode within OpenSea can really help to alleviate eye strain, especially if you're doing your NFT activities at night. So like I said, this is going to be really easy for you to do. All you have to do is head on up to your profile picture at the top right-hand corner, and then head on down to night mode. Simply toggle the feature on. And that's it. You've now enabled dark mode within OpenSea, and your eyes will thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching this OpenSea tutorial. For more videos like this one, definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel and check out nftsweep.io for more tutorials.